Hello everybody, and welcome back to another Java tutorial. And this is number 5 now, I believe. And in this tutorial we're going to be talking about swapping variables. So obviously in the previous tutorial we made some variables, and we can just look at that really quickly to give you a quick refresher of what we did. So we just created two variables here and we printed it. So let's come back into our code here, and we are going to basically do that again. So we're just going to say int, we'll say int number, we'll say int x is equal 5, okay? And we'll say int y is equal 3. Now let's say we wanted to set x to be y and y to be x, okay? So first of all we'll just we'll print these. So we'll shout x plus x, and we'll also shout y plus y. So if we run that, you'll see we get x is 5 and y is 3, which is exactly what we gave it here. So you may think initially that we could do something like x is equal y and y is equal x, right? And you'll see that if we run that, we actually get them both as 3, which is exactly not what we expected. So you'll see here that if we assign x to be y, right, so x is normally 5, but if we assign that to be 3, then x is then 3. So when we're trying to assign y to x, x is 3. So it's not 5 anymore, the 5 is gone. So we're just assigning 3 to y as well. So the way we get around this is we can create a temporary variable that will just hold the value of x, right? So we can say, we'll add that back actually. So we'll say int temp is equal x, and instead of saying y is equal x, we can then say y is equal temp. Okay, and you will see that if we now go ahead and run this, x is now 3 and y is 5. So we have now managed to swap those two numbers, making use of this temporary variable. Now, to be honest, this doesn't have many use cases, but it is a very handy thing to understand that you're swapping the values, you are not swapping the variables. So it will remove what you originally had when you are reassigning it to something else. And this is basically once again the core concepts of Java, and once you understand what's going on here, you are very, very well set to continue on indulging into Java. And yeah, so that's it for this tutorial. That's all I wanted to talk about. So let's just go ahead and end it here, I suppose. So I hope you guys did find this tutorial useful, and obviously if you did, please do be sure to give it a like and subscribe so you get notified when the next Java tutorial releases. So yes, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Goodbye.